Hello there, this is Suyesh and you are watching Suyesh Tech Tip. In this video, I will be talking about the new Sony Xperia Ace. At the MWC 2019, Sony had announced the Xperia 1 flagship smartphone with 4K OLED display and Snapdragon 855 processor. Today, the company has launched the Xperia 1 along with the all-new Xperia Ace in Japan. While the Xperia 1 and Xperia 10 came with a refreshed design featuring a longer 21:9 display, the company went back to 18:9 display and year-old omnivalence design, the Xperia Ace smartphone. The device comes with a glossy finish polycarbonate body. It has a smaller 5-inch LCD display with full HD panel and 18:9 aspect ratio. On the front, the company has added the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. It has a 14nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 processor clocked at a rate of 2.2 GHz. It has a Adreno 508 GPU and 4 gigs of RAM. The Xperia Aces include 64 GB of internal that can be further expanded to 512 GB using a micro SD card slot. In the camera department, the device has a single 12 megapixel camera with f1.8 aperture and has a OIS and EIS support. On the front, the device supports a 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera for capturing a wide selfies with 120-degree field of view. It is backed up with the 2700 mAh battery and comes with a USB Type-C port for charging. It is IP68 certified and the device is also water and dust resistant. It comes with a side mounted fingerprint scanner to secure your unlocking. The device runs on 9 Pi based on Xperia UI out of the box and available at all the and it has all the connectivity option. Talking about the colors, the Xperia Ace will be available on purple, black and white color option. Talking about the pricing, the Ace will be available at a price of 31,000 rupees and going to sale on June 1st. So these were the all information about the new Sony Xperia Ace. If you want to know more about this device, stay tuned to our channel, and if you like this video, hit the like button and do comment on this video and share our video, and thank you for watching this video.